Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple magnetic tray for storing all your screws. In case you are doing some odd job in your car and you take out a lot of screws, you may have to keep it somewhere. A tray like this is super helpful when you want to store these screws. You can buy them ready-made, but it's very expensive. I checked Amazon and found rates exceeding 200-300 bucks, whereas you can get this done for as low as 100 bucks. And it's incredibly handy. So to make this, you're going to need a tray like this. This is a stainless steel tray. Obviously it isn't attracted to magnet. So you can get these trays from shops that retail utensils. It costs about 30 bucks. You can get this ferrite magnet for practically free from scrap dealers or shops that deal with scrap goods. Or you can also extract them from speakers. So I got this from an microwave ovens magnetron. You'll get two of these magnets from a magnetron. So this is a magnetron of a microwave oven. This is a defective one. Somebody threw it away and I got this from scrap, and you can see those two magnets inside. So this one is from a magnetron. So obviously to stick it, you're going to need some glue. I prefer a two-part epoxy glue, something like Bondtite. Bondtite is very useful. I'll tell you guys from my personal experience. This is not available in a lot of hardware stores down south. I got these from Gujarat, but you'll still get alternatives like Fevitite. That's also a two-part epoxy glue. So to apply this, what we do is there are two tubes inside like these. So apply two of equal parts on top of this tray. But before that, we need to prepare this tray. Now this has a very smooth and shiny surface. You will see some scratches because I had used this before. So to prepare this, what we do is use a sandpaper. We need to make this surface a little coarse. So surface is a little rough now. So we'll apply the adhesive. Apply an equal part of the other part as well. And mix them thoroughly. Once that's done, ensure that your surface of the magnet is clean. Stick onto it at the center. Once that's done, leave it aside for half an hour or so for the glue to solidify, and I'll show you the results. So the glue has solidified, as you can see. And let's see if this works. As you can see, it holds a whole lot of screws. Very useful. If you want, you can even try with a slightly larger magnet which covers a wider area. So that will hold a lot more screws. A different tray maybe. But I didn't use a plastic tray because it's prone to falling and breaking. I'd rather have something that lasts a little longer. So this is a very simple DIY you could do for under 100 rupees, and very useful if you do a lot of work with your cars and hardware, where it entails a lot of using screws, etc. So thank you so much guys. Hope this was useful.